It's market update time. we're gonna have a look at Russell and the Nasdaq. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, so if you watched my Dow Jones and S&P video, you know that both those S&P are actually at support levels, and that's no different to the Russell as well too. The Russell right now, you can see, is actually at this decent area of, quite a decent area of support. So you see most of these indices, guys, are at this area of support where we are right now. So if we are going to get some sort of a bounce, it's likely to be now, for maybe for a couple of days, and then we're likely to go down. I don't know whether we are going to get that bounce. If we do get the bounce, it's going to be short-lived and break down, or we just continue down this downward movement and we continue going down from here. So that's the two scenarios. We see the Russell obviously breaking down. You can see how this is now starting to flag out, and we're now starting to break down from this sort of flag formation, breaking down, coming down through there. And again, guys, whenever you're trading the market, you've got to flow with the market. Okay, look at the peaks and troughs, the highs and the lows. See what's pushing higher. See where the strength is. We got this. Even though we had this big upward move. Let's actually bring my trendline tools out for this one here, eh? Even though we actually had this big upward move, stepping higher, you can see we had these strong sellers and these weaker buyers. Even though we actually are in an uptrend, that there is actually a bearish mode where we're actually getting a bear flag, in an upward trend. And if you're getting that sort of action, you wait for the breakout first, and that was the breakout, and you can see we actually got the follow through today as well too. So that was a bear flag in an uptrend. So even though we're pushing these major higher highs or higher troughs, we're getting that bear flag. So it's important you mold and flow with the markets. Don't just trade what you think. Some of you bull monkeys out there thinking the Dow's going to go to Dow Jones. There's nothing fundamentally or technically about this market where the Dow Jones is going to go to 20,000. But hey, I could be wrong, and I could be the bear monkey. Same for the Nasdaq. Nasdaq's was almost down 2.5% today as well too. Really starting to come off. Here it is where it is right now, and if I squeeze my chart up, you can see where it's at right now. So at a good support level, we've actually had quite a decent drop from the highs in the Nasdaq to where we are right now. We've actually went down a good 8%. So around a good 8% on the downside that the Nasdaq has actually dropped. So all these indices right now, guys, are at a real good area of support. I wouldn't be too surprised, guys, if we did start to see some sort of this action coming up through here, and then a little rally, maybe for a couple of days, maybe for a week, who knows. But then I think ultimately, once we get that, then I think we're likely to start getting some big news announcements kind of come out again. Something's going to come out and send this market down. That's just how it is. And I did a video probably about a month ago saying something big is going to hit the market. I don't know what, but something big is going to hit this market because it's going to send it down. And that's exactly what happened. The Brexit come out. That's generally what comes out. And the market is, the charts are telling you that. Again, guys, go back and check some of my videos where I say the market's going to crash. And the reason why I said the market's going to crash is because the charts are telling me, but the charts are telling me something was going to come out in the markets, and something big was going to come out in the markets that's going to send it down. So I don't believe the Brexit was a lucky call for me, or I was lucky with the Brexit thing. I just believe, I was just reading the charts, and the charts were telling me something big's going to come out. I didn't know what it was, but the whole Brexit thing was the catalyst, and maybe the government is letting the market. Maybe the government is letting this market go down because they just want something for it to blame onto. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.